Today we're going to be taking this ordinary drab bag and turning it into this fab bag, so stick around. Welcome back, designers. Today we're going to be creating us a fabulous little tote bag. I'm using this bag that I found on Amazon, and I'll be sure to have that link for you posted down below. For this project, I am using some E6000 adhesive, but you can use fabric glue, and then I'm using some of the adhesive diamond wrap from Dollar Tree and Walmart. Next up, I'm just going to start laying that diamond wrap around until I get the desired pattern that I'm going for. This could take a process of a few minutes because it's really just what's going to be pleasing to the eye. I started off by placing my adhesive right on the back of those gems, then laid them on top of that tote, making sure to align them perfectly with the edges. However, later on during the project, I began applying the adhesive straight to the fabric of the bag, so you can do it either way. If you choose to use the E6000, it does take about 2 minutes before it starts to get tacky, 10 minutes before it starts to set, and 24 hours before it is set completely. So keep that in mind as you're working on your project. And we're just going to keep following this simple procedure all the way over the entire tote. You will notice in a few minutes that I'm going to show you that I did wrap this bling all the way around the sides of this tote. Really, the possibilities are endless. It's all up to your creativity. Keep in mind as you're laying down your diamond wrap that you want all of those studs to be in a straight line. You will notice here on my finished project that all of the rhinestones are in a straight line, and that is what's going to give it a professional look. This particular bag from Amazon does not have any zippers or snaps, so I took some of the hook and loop fasteners from Dollar Tree and glued them into place using that E6000. Unfortunately, I ran out of glue, so as soon as I get some more glue, I will be putting just a little bit more closer to each end of this bag for a little more security. And there you go, a super easy way to make a stunningly gorgeous tote bag. Remember, I'll have the link for this bag posted for you down below. Thanks so much for watching.